Hi everyone, today, let's compare the I2C communication between the STM32F103C8 and the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno uses the Atmega328 microcontroller, while the STM32F103C8 features a more powerful ARM Cortex-M3 core. The STM32 is faster and offers 2 I2C buses, while the Arduino Uno has only one dot on the STM32F103C8. The SDA pin can be PB7, PB9, or PB11, and the SCL pin can be PB6, PB8, or PB10. On the Arduino Uno, the SDA pin is A4, and the SCL pin is A5. IT only takes 2 wires to connect STM32 and Arduino via I2C, allowing them to easily exchange data. To sum up, the STM32F103C8 is more powerful for I2C communication, offering more buses and faster speed. If you need better performance, STM32 is a great choice.